Welcome to NetApp SaaS Backup for Microsoft Office 365. This video demonstrates the point-in-time backup feature as well as the search and restore feature in SaaS Backup. To view the point-in-time backup history, navigate to Services and then select Microsoft Exchange Online. Navigate to Protected Mailboxes and select one of the Exchange Online mailboxes. Select the View Backup History button to view the point-in-time backups. Select any one of the backups and you will be redirected to the backup page. Select Mail and search for an email with a specific subject. You will be able to view the email messages with the best match results. Select the email to be restored and then select the Restore button. In the pop-up window, select Restore to the same mailbox, and then select the Confirm button. The email message will be restored successfully to the same mailbox. Again, select the email message to be restored, and then select the Restore button. In the pop-up window, select Restore to another mailbox, and enter the name of another mailbox. Select the Confirm button. The email message will be restored successfully to another mailbox. You have now successfully searched and restored individual email messages.